It's our sunshine.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Syeeduddin. I'm 66 years old now. I have been working in Saudi Electricity Company for 23 years. For almost 5 to 7 years, I had pain started in my left leg, and knee pain was there. And this I was able to sustain, and there was painkillers we were using, and we were able to manage. So till a year and a half, I was able to manage with that pain. Actually, many times I felt that I should go for operation and done because in every step there was a pain. So my feeling was I should get it done as soon as possible. But many doctors said as long as you are able to sustain, as long as you're able to feel okay, continue that to avoid operation. So because of that, I delayed it. As a result, a year back, pain started in my next leg also, and it became severe day by day. And at a point came where I was feeling so difficult even to move one step. Then I decided this is not the way we should live. I should go for operation immediately. After many inquiries, I came to know Dr. Gurava Reddy is the best doctor available in city. So it was my privilege, and my friend Dr. Rafiq was knowing about him, and he says, yes, this is the right decision, let us go to him. So we went together, and after meeting him, I was so satisfied. Then we decided to go for operation as soon as possible. And on 13th March 2018, I got my knees operated in Gachibowli branch of Sunshine, and I was informed that it was one of the first operations done here. End of the day, and both operated I got same day, and by evening I did not even feel that my legs are existing. But slowly I was starting recovery, and I felt that there was operation done, my legs were feeling the pain. And the next day morning, really that was I cannot forget, it was the severest pain which I felt. And I thought, with this I can never live, and it will be so long, so drastic. But the same day at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock like that, I was asked to walk, and I had to walk. And that was really very, very experience which I cannot forget. Very strange was that by next day, the pain reduced so much that I thought it is not even a quarter of the pain I felt yesterday. So only the first day the pain is there. This is for experience I'm telling, to share with any future patient who can undergo. And slowly the pain got reduced by every day. 4 days I stayed here, and it was really very good experience. After 4 days I left for my home, and there for 1 month I got my physiotherapy done. One very important thing I would like to share with our Muslim patients, if they are, we are afraid of, we become, only two limitations are there after doing this operation. The first is going to the toilet. This is one problem which I think we'll have to suffer with that you have to take a commode. Western commode only we'll have to use. I think there is no solution for this. The second limitation is while praying for Muslims, praying is in sitting qaida, they say in qaida, there you cannot do the normal type of qaida. There it was told to me that I have to do only on chair, but by my little effort and little curiosity, I could do most of it normally without help of the chair. I'll try to show it to you. Instead of sitting like normal way, I can do that. So with that, what happened, now I can go to any masjid, anywhere, I can do the prayer with the normal people, and with a small limitation will be there, but I will do the normal thing. I need not have the chair every time. So that is one very good, and when there is available and there is a comfort zone is available, I use the chair. Otherwise I do the normally with the normal people, which is giving me a lot of satisfaction. So I like to demonstrate my way of doing the prayer by putting hands here, and we do ruku, we do prostrate, we do kneel down like this. This is normal, there is no problem in this, everybody can do this. Then you get up here, no problem. Then I go for sajda, I do like this. So this is the normal position of doing the sajda, no problem at all. It is like any other normal person. Only thing is, I just sit like this. I cannot sit totally bending my this buttocks to the knees. This is the only position. Second, I do like this. Okay. After that, I sit here and I do the Khaida. Here I finish the prayer like sitting like this, and we do like this. This is the way we finish the prayer. So this position was difficult, and many people feel difficulty while can we do this or not? For this position, normally people take the chair and they think they cannot dispose of the chair, but it is not like that. We can dispose the chair, and when after just you finish, you take the chair and sit comfortably.
Sunshine, it's our sunshine.